So we're out here at Aprilia's demo day. I rode the R660. Y'all see that on the GoPro. I rode the 457, and next we're going to ride the big boy V4 Factory 1100. It's 2-on version. They don't have any of the RV4s, but this should be fun. And it's a couple of us out here. Should be real fun. I'll show you guys the R660 I rode. On the 457 I rode is this. Very nice. Super light, super nimble. Very good looking bike though. I like the blue. Then we have the R660. That's a 2-on 660. But they both look good. Sound good. Two-on version of the R660. Same engine, just kind of a naked version of it. Has an exhaust on it. It's the MIV. He's gonna start in a second. I think he's putting it in neutral.
I love the way the brakes grab. It feels amazing. He knows because he ridden it too. I don't even think we even came close to the power band, and it's kind of hard to, we got multiple riders out, but we're not trying to show off here. But you can see your fuel gauge there. We got 2 bars left. Looks like what, APRILIA track controls on 2. shit is amazing.
Can I buy it?
I might have to, man. Oh my god. This is amazing.
It's just gonna get better.
Yeah. Oh man. Upright position, you can't go wrong, man. mother. There's our 09. God damn. Oh my God. Get me out of here. This bike is amazing.